HIPAA Compliance Service. Did you know that in 2024 alone, the US Department of Health and Human Service reported over 730 healthcare data breaches exposing more than 133 million patient records? The average penalty for HIPAA violation is $1.5 million per incident. HIPAA compliance isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about protecting patients' trust, keeping your reputation intact, and securing your business in digital age. Welcome to Vistainfosec, a global information security consulting, a CREST certified firm with over 20 years of experience. We help organizations across healthcare, pharmaceutical, IT, banking, retail, and government comply with global standards like HIPAA, PCI DSS, ISO 27001, GDPR, SOC 2, and more. And today we'll show you why HIPAA compliance matter more than ever in 2025. Why HIPAA compliance matter in 2025? Healthcare and health tech are evolving fast. Telemedicine, cloud-based patient portal, wearable device, and AI-driven diagnostics are now the norm. But with that innovation comes risk. Healthcare is now the first target industry for cyber attack worldwide, and regulators are cracking down harder than ever. HIPAA compliance ensure your electronic protected healthcare information (EPHI) is secure from breaches, accessed by only the right people, and auditable under federal law. Real case study. What happens if you fail? In 2023, Montefiore Medical Center was fined $4.75 million for failing to secure EPHI. Hackers stole patient data because of weak access control and outdated system. This wasn't just about money. It damaged their reputation, eroded patient trust, and forced massive remediation cost. The lesson: HIPAA violation can cripple even established healthcare provider. What does HIPAA require? HIPAA is built on three core rules. Privacy rule defined how patient data can be used and shared. Second, security rule requires safeguard like encryption, access control, and incident response. Third, breach notification rule. If there is a breach, you must notify patient and authorities within strict timeline. The ROI of HIPAA compliance. Compliance isn't about avoiding fines, it's about building trust and loyalty. HIPAA isn't just a cost, it delivers real returns. Lower breach cost. Average healthcare breach cost is $11 million. Compliance safeguard that risk. Avoid penalties. HIPAA violation can reach $50,000 per record. Patient trust equal to revenue. 74% of patients says that security impact loyalty. Compliant provider see higher retention. Competitive edge. Being HIPAA compliant build credibility and partnership. Organizations with strong privacy practice see 20 to 30% higher patient retention. Quick HIPAA self-assessment quick. Let's do a quick yes or no quiz. Okay, so can you track who accessed every piece of patient? Second, do you encrypt all EPHI both in storage and transmission? Third, does your staff undergo regular HIPAA training? Fourth, do you have a tested breach response plan? Fifth, have you reviewed your vendor HIPAA compliance? If you answered no to even two of this, you have got a critical gap to fix. How Vistainfosec help you achieve HIPAA compliance? Our compliance service simplifies this complex journey. Here's your process. First, HIPAA readiness assessment. Second, gap analysis. Third, redemption support. Fourth, policies and procedure. Fifth, employee training. Sixth, ongoing monitoring. HIPAA and the future. AI, telehealth, and beyond. The healthcare of tomorrow is digital. First, AI-driven diagnostics, telehealth consultant, mobile health app, wearable monitoring device. But HIPAA rules apply here too. AI algorithm and cloud platforms processing patient data still require constant encryption and process access control. Future-ready compliance means preparing for new risks while keeping pace and innovation. HIPAA compliance checklist for 2025. Here is your plan action. The 10 essential every organization need to cover. First, encrypt all EPHI. In translate and reset, enforce access control, role-based MFA, no shared logins. Maintain detailed audit log who access data and when and why. Train employee annually. Include phishing and social engineering risk. Fifth, Test your breach response plan and remember you have 60 days to notify under HIPAA. 6th, review vendor compliance. Sign and manage business associate agreement. 7th, conduct regular risk assessment required by OCR. 8th, update policy and procedure at least once a year. 9th, secure physical access. Protect server, workstation and any device storing EPHI. 10. Plan for contingency, backup, disaster recovery and emergency operation. Closing. At Vistainfosec, we don't just help you tick HIPAA boxes. We partner with you to build a culture compliance and security that strengthens your reputation and build patient trust. Contact us today at sales@Vistainfosec to learn how our HIPAA compliance service can protect your business. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment. What's your biggest HIPAA challenges 2025?